Hello my dear YouTube fellows, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys the biggest beetroot that I have ever seen in my life. I'm lucky, so I'll show you. See the big is this. This is the huge beetroot that I ever seen in my life. I have never seen like this before. The top of that, this is yellow cucumber. I have a previous video regarding of this yellow cucumber curry, so you guys can watch it. See another one here. Very interesting. That's the beauty of gardening. Enjoy of my life with tiny little moments. Moment by moment, we can create an uplifting our life. This is the seeds, actually mother of beets. Very welcome, always in my garden, and so many seeds are there. I have plucked so many seeds, but remaining lots of seeds. Thank you as always. I love gardening, and looks like similar to beetroot, but this is called Swiss Chard. In this summer 2025. Nice feeling, isn't it? Beautiful color, red color. Look at that. I hope you guys like that. The seeds are red color, little bit orange color, and also yellow. 3 varieties, actually 4 varieties. This is another one. This is also Swiss Chard. It's a white color, similar to yellow and white. 1, 2, 3 and 4.